meeting. Today concept is database connections. Today concept name is database connections. Very important concept. Not very important, but one of the concept. So that is database connection. It's not very easy. It's not very easy concept. Database connect. Database connection. Like we have different databases like Oracle, SQL Server, and MS Access. So these are the databases. We have different databases. How to work with databases? So today first concept how to work with databases. So just go to Luna software. Before that we need to create the one database first. Before that we need to create one database. So database connections. So Maven not 6 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m., 11 a.m. So if you want to work with database, so one of the database SQL Server, MySQL. So how to work with MySQL? That is the today concept. First concept. Very just concentrate. It's not very easy. So why it is showing error? What's wrong? File, switch to workspace. I'm going to Maven. First, we need to create the database. How to create the database, I will teach you. Concentrate. It's not very easy. So already I told you. So just go to start button. If after installing MySQL, you can get MySQL cell like MySQL. So all my programs SQL already have installed in my computer. So if you after installing MySQL, just you can get one folder MySQL. Here we can get MySQL cell something you can get here. So here you should go to workbench. First you need to install MySQL in your computer. After that you can get this software. So local instance. So local instance 2. I have two folders, but my install is first one. Local installs MySQL. It is working or not? Right, working. So first of all, you need to create the database. How to create the database? I will tell you. Do you know SQL?
Little bit, yeah.
Okay. Okay. If you know some knowledge, more than enough. First, we need to create the database. How to create the database? Just go to schemas. Just go to schemas. Right click. Create. Schema. Right click. Set as default schema. Where is schema? Here only. Draw schema. Draw schema. Draw schema. So just go to schema. Create schema, right? Create schema. Schema name is Khalil. 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 Schema name is Khalil. Okay. Right. Click on apply. Schema name is Khalil. That is called database. Finish. Okay. After creating schema, just right click. Take the create table. Table name is UK. You are from UK, right? UK. Okay. Click on apply. Apply. Schema name is default. Default. Right. Apply. Huh? One second. UK schema old. No. Creation schema default. Right. Now first ID number. ID number. ID number is integer. Okay. Not null. Not null. Okay. Right. Next. Uh, email ID. Email. Varchar. Okay. Not null. Not null. Not null. Not null. Click on apply. Not null. Email varchar. Not null. Apply. Click on finish. So after that, you should create the data. Apply. ID number. So just go to table. Right click. Create rows. Create rows. Why? Right click on table. Create rows. Create rows. My table name is Khalil. Right click. Create schema. Okay. Create rows option here. Right click on table. Create. Table is over. Create rows concept will come here. Khalil. I created one table. Sorry. Oh, table name already gave UK. Right. UK tables UK. Where is UK? Create table. Create table like user category template. Not this one. Wait 1 second. So create the table. ID. ID. I'm giving one. Okay. Name. Khalil. Where is Khalil? Khalil. Next. 2. Akhil. 3. Hyderabad. 4. KMNR. Over. Okay, I gave data also. I created one table. I gave data also. Apply. So insert into values. Khalilu UKS. Khalil is a database name. UK is a table name. ID name. So ID is 11 Kalilu 22 Akilu T3 Hyderabad 44 KMNR. Apply. Finish. Over. Next concept is, so I created one database. Okay. The database name is Khalil. Table name is UKS. Okay, right. Next come to concept. Database connections. First of all, if you want to work with database connections, first of all, we need to configure one file. So SQL connection. We need to configure SQL connection. How to configure? Right click on project, properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars. Already have downloaded SQL connection. In my system I have, where it is, I need to check SQL 5123. MySQL connection Java 5123 bin jar. Open, click on OK. SQL connection also added. Next, we need to write the program. Go to new class. Class name is database connections. Click on finish. Take one @test. Your concept is very complexity. After writing the annotation, compulsory we should write one function. Public void database function bracket required. Here we need to write the program. Class dot for name, class dot for name. So database connection, if it is SQL connection, so defaultly we have connection syntax com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. D should be cap actually. D should be cap. Driver. Oh God. Right. I gave SQL connection. Okay. Next. SYSO control space something message. Hyderabad. Right. So if it is executing or not, if you want to know, that time we will use this printed statement. So that is not very important, but leave it. Next, connection CONN equal to driver manager dot get connection get connection. So here connection name once again we should mention here JDBC JDBC MySQL mm, MySQL JDBC MySQL localhost dot port 3306. After installing we need to automatically we can get the port. Next, which is slash, this is a slash or not, only have small doubt, okay, leave it. So next, host name is something I'm giving ind. Okay, next, after giving ind double slash comma, I gave username is root, automatically it will be root. Password your choice. My password is I gave Akhil, I think. Okay, Akhil. After long time I'm using this one, but I don't know perfectly, but it will be right. Semicolon. Right. Here why it is showing error one database connections in 3306 JDBC MySQL double slash localhost okay MySQL host localhost 3306 in why it is showing error. Delete this token. Oh right. Test engine annotation. Next. Oh God. SYSO control space. So every time I'm using this printed statements, MySQL connection, MySQL connection. So why I am writing number of printed statements? I wrote two statements. Why I am writing? So where is the code is error? So how much it is executing? So that's the reason I am writing this statements. There is no need, but if you want to know statement, mm, STMT statement reference name STMT equal to mm, CONN connection dot. I gave name connection right. Here we can get create statement. Here we need to get create statement. Create statement. Right, Shabash. Up to now there is no errors. Okay. After that, if we face any problem, we can do it. So next, result set. Result set. Reference name RS equal to STMT statement dot execute query, execute query, execute query, where execute arguments, execute query, right. ah, ah. Execute query. From, we need to give the select star from Khalil, select star from Khalil. I think I gave database name is Khalil. Okay, database name is Khalil. That means schema. Next, here I am writing while loop. While rs means record set dot next. Right. Up to now, code is correct. Right. Take one string. String. Why it is showing error? String. 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 First name equal to rs dot get string. Get string. Right. So get string. So what is string? ID. ID. I think ID. I gave ID. Okay. I want to get the ID from that particular database. Okay. Right. SYSO control space ID. So if you want email, we can get it. Oh, SYSO control space ID. Right. We can get the ID. Only ID numbers.